Hey guys, welcome everyone. In this very short video I will show you how to insert an image into a PDF file on your mobile device. First of all, go ahead and open up Google Play Store. In the search bar type in Zoto. Now you need this Zoto PDF Reader and Editor application. Go ahead and download it and install it, then open it up. Okay, upon opening this application you will be taken to this toolbox menu, but you need to click on the Files tab right over here and then go ahead and click on this plus icon, then click on Open File, then go ahead and press on my device, and now just choose your PDF file that you wish to edit and add your image into. Okay, so when entering and opening your PDF file, you will probably be taken to a annotate screen and option. So click on the top option where it says annotate on this drop down menu, then make sure to select the insert button right over here in the list. Now click on image icon on the top, and this will basically activate a mode where you can actually insert your image into your PDF file. So as you can see, I already have one inserted. I'm just going to insert another one. So from the media picker here, just choose the photo or an image that you wish to add to your PDF file. Alright, I have chosen mine. And now basically if you want to go ahead and edit your image, as you can see it's already added, just unclick this image icon and now you can actually edit your image. You can change the size of it, you can make it big, you can also drag it onto any part of your PDF easily like this, and then you can just go ahead and save your changes and you're done adding your image into your PDF file in mobile. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and I will see you very soon in the next one.